So today we have with us the Oppo Enco earbuds. So just let me show you the surroundings of the box. There are all types of brandings. Now let's open it. And here we are with the Oppo Enco. After opening the back lid, we have with us two manual guides. There is a user guide and a safety guide. Now let's take our time with the earbuds that come in different sizes. And now let's take out the box. It has a plastic cover around it. Let's open it. And here we have the box. Behold the Oppo Enco. It has a USB Type-C cable for charging purposes and an LED light to indicate the charging percentage. Green means fully charged, yellow means average charged, and red means it needs charging now. The earbuds are quite smooth to hold. They fit perfectly in my ears with the medium size provided. And they have touch controls too. Let me show how they are connected. So here's my mobile. Let me turn on the Bluetooth. And here it is connected. It didn't even show connecting. It's that fast. Now for the review. The sound quality of these earbuds are just amazing. Even while using a non-Oppo mobile, the sound quality is just fantastic. Hearing songs with that much level of bass is just non-believable. The touch controls in these earbuds are sometimes not accurate, so I'm not giving them much of a point. Then for the connectivity, you just saw how fast they were. There is even no gaming lag, and the music while connecting is just fantastic. So guys, that was all for today. I hope you liked my Oppo Enco Buds review. Happy Diwali to all those who live in India, and let's meet with you all the next time. Subscribe for more.